is Attorney Chaparali, and we're going to depart a little bit from the UNNJ side stories, and we're going to talk a little bit about graduation. Graduation is coming. A lot of students who are here on a student visa would like their family to attend the graduation. And the question a lot of people are asking me is, how do I invite my family to come to the United States to attend my graduation ceremony? If you are not a US citizen, of course, then the only way to really kind of invite your family members is to do a B2 visa, which is a visitor visa, or B1 B2 combination of the business and the visitor visa. And what it entails, we have another video here pretty much where we cover, and I'm going to put the link on the bottom, how to get the B1 B2 visa. The B1 B2 or the B2 visa in this case for the students, if you want to come and visit for a specific purpose for a limited time, for example in this case the graduation, you need to send an invitation letter to your family member, your parents or your brothers, sisters, and you invite them. A regular letter will do, and or an email. And then of course the other issue, since you are a student, you probably will not be able to put the form I-134, which is the affidavit of support, but some students pretty much have the means, they can put that themselves. But the best is they have their own money to pay for the trip and to spend the time here. And it has to be very important, the thing that they're going to look at is under INA 214B, that your intent is to go back to India or to the country, Nepal, or to Sri Lanka, or Fiji, whichever country you are from originally. I mean your guests are from. They have to show a few things. One is very important, is to show that you have ties to your home country. This is what they are looking for. That means that the immigrant intent is pretty much not there. Just to let you know, whenever you file for any visa, non-immigrant visa, especially in a visa which is not dual intent like H1B, there is a presumption that you have an immigrant intent. So you have to negate that immigrant intent. That means they already have the assumption, they are based it on the assumption that you are here with the idea of already getting what we call to stay in the United States. So how do you negate that? You need to prove that you have ties to your home country. For example, if you have properties, if you have a job, if you're in school, and you can show that you have to go back for work or for to take care of business, or you have other family members. For example, a husband coming, the wife is still in the home country. It shows that he will go back for the wife. There's no really clear-cut answer for this, because oftentimes I tell people, whenever you apply for a visitor visa or a B1 visa, B1 is a little bit different because it's based on business, but the B2 visa, which is a visitor visa, the main thing that you have to demonstrate first is your purpose of stay. In this case, to come and attend the graduation, and you have to prove the second point is to prove that your stay will be temporary. For example, if you're coming for a graduation, you cannot, of course you can come and visit at the same time some places, touristic places in the US, but you cannot just come for 6 months just for a graduation. That's not going to be acceptable, definitely. But if you come at the port of entry, they give you 6 months. Of course you can stay for that 6 months. Make sure you don't violate your I-94. But the truth is, it has to be temporary, and temporary has to be defined, and you have to show also your return tickets and your itinerary. And usually some people, they don't know, they put 3-4 months, but there's no way. It's very rare they will approve a visitor visa for 3-4 months. Nobody goes to visit or as a tourist for 3-4 months. That shows that you have an immigrant intent right there. So that doesn't mean you go ahead and you lie, because lying to the immigration will bar you from any benefits. And I did a video, right now we are seeing willful misrepresentation video that I've done also earlier before this video. It's very important that you explain that you will go back. That's the two things that they are looking for. First, what is the purpose? And in your letter, when you invite your family member, you have to mention the graduation in this case. And also the second one is to prove that it's temporary, but you also have to prove that you don't have an immigrant intent. That the third one, where it's basically under circumstantial evidence, and it's also at the discretion of the State Department at the U.S. Embassy to decide if they feel like you're going to come back or not. But oftentimes, ladies and gentlemen, there's a factor of luck, and I always tell that to people. Is most of the time is 60% of luck, 40% of the case. I've seen people who brings people who bring everything, they still get denied. People who just bring a simple letter, they still get approved. So bottom line, I wish you all a congratulations for on your graduation. But at the end of the day, if you want to invite your family members or friends for your graduation, a letter of invitation is very important. And two, you also have to make sure that they prove there's no immigrant intent. And three, they have to be the visit has to be temporary, and make sure that they don't take advantage of that to stay in the US. As soon as the graduation is finished, they can visit some places, but they need to leave. It's very important that you know about this, and I have this video here how to apply for the B1 B2 visa. I'll put the link on the bottom. You can use both, and hopefully that will you'll have a good graduation, and all your family members can come and enjoy with you. I wish you best of luck, and again congratulations. And if you have any questions, feel free to call our office at 510-742-5887. Anything I'm telling you today is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. And if you like our YouTube video, please subscribe and pass it to other people. Thank you.